morning everyone. Namaste. My name is Ayan Agarwal. Today I will be telling you about Sustainable Development Goals, also known as SDGs. These goals were created by the United Nations in the year 2015. These are 17 goals to be accomplished by every nation till the year 2030. These goals were created to save enough resources for the future generations. We as children should contribute to these goals because when we grow up, we will have no resources left. So in this video, we will also be talking about the solutions to some of the SDGs. The first SDG that I will be talking about is SDG 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. The overall goal of SDG 6 is to ensure availability of water and sanitation to all. Everyone on earth should have access to safe and clean water. This means everyone should have access to water which is free of harmful components. Second, everyone should have access to safe and clean sanitation. This means everyone should have access to hygiene facilities without discrimination. We can easily resolve this problem at home in multiple ways, like shortening our showers. A 3 to 5 minute shower can save up a lot of water. Second, being faucet friendly. This means turning off taps while brushing, washing your teeth, washing dishes, shaving, etc. Third, fixing leaks. A leaky faucet can waste up a lot of water. Get them fixed properly. Fourth, broom beats hose. This means that using a broom is way more good than using a hose, as a hose can waste up a lot of water. The next SDG is SDG 30, Climate Action. The overall goal of this SDG is to take urgent action against climate change and its impacts. This leads to a two-way approach, that adapting to climate change. This means preparing for and coping up with the effects of climate change, which will continue to happen in the future. Mitigating climate change. This means reducing greenhouse gas emissions to slow down the pace of global warming. We can mitigate climate change by transitioning to a renewable energy source. This means that this is a very important solution because geothermal, hydropower, solar energy, wind are all safe energy sources, but no one minds using them. Second, protecting forests. Forests absorb and store carbon dioxide, but we cut down trees to make paper, houses, etc. Planting more trees. Planting trees on a large scale can make oxygen levels high and carbon dioxide levels low. So this will reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Carbon capture and storage. This tech captures carbon emissions from the atmosphere and stores them underground. The next SDG is SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. The overall goal of this SDG is to ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. Let us dive deeper into this. First, we should follow sustainable practices. This means using renewable resources, reducing pollution, and minimizing waste. Sustainable consumption. This means buying less, choosing sustainable products, and extending the life of what we already do. We can resolve this problem by many ways, like be mindful of your energy consumption. Turn off lights and electronics when not in use, and unplug chargers. Choose sustainable products. This means use products which are made out of recycled material and are durable and repairable. These small steps are the steps that we can make to change the world. As Neil Armstrong rightly said, one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Until next time, this is your eco-freak friend Ayan Agarwal signing out.